Guys, hello guys, welcome back to our channel for Rock and Roll. So today we are going to play Among Us, and here are two more members of Duke, that means Duke, from our channel. One boy name is Kaushik, and the username here is Karminati, and another name is Sansa, and he is Divyan. So we both, yeah, Divyansh is there, I think so. I don't know, probably. Yeah, please add him, Kaushik. Oh, you also can't. I don't know, let him leave also. We don't know. He's in the call. Hello, Divyansh. Are you there in the game? Hello. Divyansh has cut the call, I think so. I can't add him because if I go to that window, it's shutting down and it's telling me that this app is being in private and something has been like what to say, something has. So you should only start. I'm not the owner. Yeah, start the game. Start the game. There are 10 members. Yeah, started. So yeah, you know who I am. I should not tell, so I'm not telling. So we should do task. Everyone, crewmate and both, you can say, they should do task. So we are doing task. So yeah, task has been done successfully once. So this side I should go. Do that. Another task is showing me. Going very fast. What, Kaushik? Yeah. Let's see who is the imposter. I don't know who is the imposter. It's showing me red. Yeah, so I'm voting. I have voted. Who have you voted? Yeah. Yeah, we can see it, guys. Please wait, guys. Because who Kaushik voted, you can see it successfully, but in the last. Yeah, he voted for HVMB. No one, no one was ejected. Tie one imposter remains. So let's do the task again. I think Kaushik is the imposter. I think you are the imposter because I don't know. It's telling my mind. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And uh, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel also, guys. Yeah, here is one task. What happened? Yeah, one task has been done successfully. So again, I should upload a what? Someone left the game. It's saying me someone left the game, I think. I don't know. I'm going. So where it is? I can't see because I am here only. Yeah, got it. So my name in Among Us is Cyberbloxer, and I have Roblox also, guys. I'll show you Roblox ID, and I will be uploading Roblox gameplays also. Kaushik, can you tell your ID to me because I can send you friend request? Yeah, yeah, one has been completed. Oh, there. So tasks I'm doing regularly, guys. Not leaving any task. No, no, no. There is no time limit. You should do tasks more. If you do the tasks more, then 100% will be completed. And we should find the imposter. Then we should create emergency meeting. There is emergency, you can see there, right? When you come, yeah, that's what. So wait, I will schedule this. Here are some weapons, guys. Someone dead again. So I think then so I don't know who I should vote. So let's vote for someone. So I voted for someone. I don't know who and all I should vote because I'm not the imposter also. You already know. Yes, yes, showing you. I think you are the imposter. Is it real? Oh, I told that right, guys. So we are military. So play again, Kaushik. I choose that. I hope you will also choose that. And you send this code to Divyan because this is the second round, right? So sorry for the ad, guys. The ad comes and disturbs us. Hey, will you join the Divyan's game or you will create another one? Hello? Hey, the guy always do. Add him in the call and create the game. So guys. So yes, guys. So Divyans is also on the line. Hello? Someone please create the code and tell me. Yeah. Yeah. No, let him tell. Let him tell. He left it. Why what is happening? I don't know. Yeah, okay. I'll do that. Please. Because, no, I will do. I will do. You create the code, huh? Wait, please wait. Please wait. Let him also come. Yeah, he came. Yeah, please tell me the code. MYY KB. Joined, guys. Please come fast. So here my name is Cyberblock. Yeah, he came. Make it public. Yeah. There should people join the game. So we are waiting. So guys, you can click on the customize and do which color you want. If you have the pet or skin, you can do that. I don't have that. So here are so many hats and all also. So here you can, if you click on the game, you can see your tasks and all. Yeah, someone came. Yeah. Yeah, they are coming. Slowly they will come. We should wait. Yeah, Sambar. Yeah, this is not nice at all. Hey, don't start, don't start, don't start. Let them come. Okay, let it go. Okay, okay, okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, there is one. I the same topic with me also. Please wait, guys. So guys, I will start the What? I'm doing task on this one. Please wait, please wait. Yeah, I'm showing on the task. But I'm not in full set. What I should do, I should do. Okay. Task completed. This is a small task, guys. Yeah. So this one task, I thought that this what I'm doing here a task. Yeah, done the task. That is fantastic. Yeah, yeah, I'm doing it. 04642. Yeah, verified one. Verified one. You should do the other. Yeah, I'm going. What happened to my cursor? Everyone move. Everyone move, move, move. We are dead. Play again. Click on play again. Click on play again. Yeah, yeah. Waiting for hoster. Yeah, we are. Send me the code. Yeah. Yeah, quit that. I quitted it. Can you please tell me again? Hey, tell me. N? Yeah, tell me, Kaushik, tell me yours. Kaushik, tell me yours. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please. VIQ GGF. So yeah, I joined. I joined. Yeah, you can come fast. VIQ GGF. VIQ VIQ GGF. V for van. V for van. I for Iceland. Yeah. Make it make it private. Make it private. Make it private right now. Click on the public. VIQ GGF. Hey, please wait. Are you there? VIQ VIQ V for van. I for Iceland. Q for what to do now? You can pick someone. Yeah, someone left. Someone left. Yeah. VIQ. You can. GGF. 8 members are only there. My name is Cyberblock. What's your name, Divyan? No, it's not there. B-I-Q. B-I-Q. B for one, I for Iceland, Q. B. What's the name? Hey, make it private. Hey, you're not there. Divyans is not there. It's showing me. Make it private. Yeah. Kick one. Kick one. Kick one. Kick one. Kick one. Yeah. Yeah. B-I-Q. B for. Hey, you always do like this only. Yeah. It's him. A, make it private and B. Make it private and B. For 2 minutes. No, wait, wait. Make it private and B. It's okay, please. Yeah. Yeah, I have sent it. Yeah. Yes, yeah. Hey, start it. Nothing will happen. Start it. Yeah. Ah. Okay. There are two imposters. I think Divyan is the imposter. Yeah. The, so one is done. There is a empty. There is one another. Go fast. Complete the task. Complete the task. Yeah, I'm going. I'm going. I'm not able to go. Yeah. I'm not. Yo. Yeah, I go. I went. Yeah, someone control that. Yeah, there is another one. Go there. Kaushik. First, first we need to do one task. Yeah, I got one task. Someone is that guy. So oh, Divyam is dead. Divyam was dead. Oh, Divyam was dead. Divyam. Yeah, voted. G stand E2MAJ. Yeah, I found who are the imposters. I found who and all are imposters. I found it. I found it. I too found it. Yeah, I voted for the long people, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. He's not an imposter. I know who is the imposter. Yeah, I can't find it now. I can find it that time only. I'll tell you. I will be for 5 minutes and tell you that. Kaushik, this there is brown one and purple one is the imposters. Just go fast and do the task, guys. Hey, every task only I should do or what? Here I should do it. Oxygen. Oh, defeated. Hey, you're an imposter. Oh no. Oh god. Hey, click on play again. Click play again. Click on. Oh no no. Hey, yeah, one more. Same code. Same code, please. Same code, please. Okay, I will leave them. Yeah, tell me the code now. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you like our gameplay, please comment it in the chat box and tell me your usernames, guys. So you can also play with us. Hey, tell me again, boy. B D P B or V? B or V? First one, I'm asking. Yeah. FS, right? Or FS? B D F A B D P A F F B D A. Hey, please tell me the code again. A F F. Yeah, okay. Yeah, no, B D F. Tell me, tell me, tell me, please tell me fast. B D F P A F F. D for ball, D for doll, P for parrot, A for alligator, F for Ford, F for Ford. Hey, I can't see. Yeah, screenshot. There. Yes, screenshot there. The screenshot itself not working or what? I don't know. Probably. B D F. Hey, tell me the code first. Yeah, please, or you type it and send the someone. E D D F D D P. Or someone send the photo. Hey, please wait. I'm seeing the photo. Hey, it's loading. B D P A S F. That's what I type first. Then I confuse. B D A. What I'm confusing. B D P A S F. Join successfully. Hey, what? It's full. B D F. Hey, someone. Yeah. B D P A F. B D P A S F. Can I? Yeah, can I send? Because one is down. Like someone you quit. Like someone you kicked. Yeah, I joined. 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 Kaushik, are you there? Yeah, Kaushik is also there. Hey, started. So if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment in the comment box how we played. And let's see, guys. Yeah, how many times I will get this only? Yeah, that's what I'm going to say. This game is a funny game, guys. You can also download it, and it's very less GB. That means MB, and you can even download it in laptops, I think so. Hey, hey, hey! Click on play again. Click on play again. Click on play again. Yeah, even me. Even me, even me. Hey, Kaushik did not do. Kaushik, hello. Enter the code. BD. Okay. No. We are playing one game. Yeah, you can. BDPASF. No. Hey, now you go and enter the code. Yeah, you always wear a mask. Hey, please. BDPASF. Hey, no, we will play last game. This is last game. Same code. I will create just BDPASF. Now quit that. Yeah, okay, tell that code. Tell that code. Yeah, tell me fast. Yeah. Hey, tell slowly. Three letters tell one time. Then three letters tell one time. E X X H H elephant. Hey, yeah. E S H E for elephant, X for Xerox, and H for hat. M B F E X H E. Yeah. E X A is not coming. I don't know. Hey, E X E X H. Yeah, doing it. Sender. Yeah, I'm sending. Please wait. Yeah, yeah. Send. See. Go and check it, man. Yeah, go and check it in the group. Yeah. Okay, guys. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe. And yeah. And also, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. And comment in the comment section how we played. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Hit the bell icon for notifications, guys. So it's there. Now it's loading. Yeah, how much time you will start, boy? Yeah. Started. Yeah, how much time I'll get this only? Yeah, I'm not the imposter. I'm not the imposter at all. I'm getting every time. Is that all? That was I'm also sure. what I should do here? What is the task here? I don't understand what. Yeah, I can't see this task. I don't know this task is here. Who is that? Tell us. Yeah, tell me. Okay, okay. Got it, got it, got it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Who reported it? Yeah, voting yellow. Voting yellow. 6, 5. Done. Yellow, yellow. It's yellow, right? I voted for yellow. A pro gamer also, I think so, yeah. Everyone voted for. Yeah. Everyone voted for him only. Yeah, got it. I know it. Hey, yeah, I'm doing the task. Yeah, please wait. Yeah, done the task. I done the task. Yeah. Yeah, purple, sorry, pink, pink. Pink is another one. Pink is another one because he tells me pink. Pink. Yeah, pink, pink. Please. Yeah, pink. Pink, pro gamer. Yeah, I'm this one right. Yeah, I was dead, yeah. That's what I was also telling guys. Yeah, here, yours. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even you are also. Yeah, I think because Divyang is also there, yeah. I thought Divyang. Yeah, play again, play again. So guys, if you like it, please like, share and subscribe and also hit the bell icon for notifications. Hey everyone, hey everyone. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, tell me. So if you want to change the color, customize and which color you want, you can click it. So yeah. So we hope you like this. Yeah. Only four members are here. So we are waiting, waiting, waiting. And also guys, if you like this video, please like and in the comments you tell us how we played and subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell icon so that you will get notification. Like if we keep any videos, you will get it. I'm not the imposter. I'm not the imposter. Divyansh is the imposter. Divyansh is the imposter. I completely know that. Then Kaushik or who? If anyone is the imposter, please tell us. If I am also the imposter, I will also tell you. Yeah, this one also cleared. Task completed successfully. So we are playing here, guys. Hey, someone please go fast. If you are not the imposter. Yeah, I'm also going. I'm also going. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I came here. Yeah, what? It's showing me wrong position on the map. No, I came here. What happened? Be aware of everyone. I'm saying. Hey, hi Kaushik, just here only. Just click on that. Just click on that. Just click on that. Hey, Kaushik is the imposter. I thought it. I thought. So guys, I did not get one imposter also. I did not get one imposter also in this game. And comment that this is not at all good. Yeah. I'm opening it, but it's not, guys. So we hope you like this video. If you
like, share, and in the go to the comment section and comment how we played, and go to the click on the subscribe button, and there will be a notification button. Click on that for notifications. That means bell icon also. Please activate that. And thanks for watching, and we hope you like it. And thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Till that, bye bye, guys. And my name is Kushal, guys. I always upload gaming videos like Among Us and Roblox. So I hope you will like it. And thanks for watching. There are two more members also, Divyans and Kaushik. You already know. Yes, guys. And thanks for watching. Bye bye, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.